Welcome back to How to Tutorials. Without any delay, let's get back into the video. So, first of all, you need to go and search for Tesla. For that, you can simply go to your Google search option here. And on the search bar, you can type here www.tesla.com. This will take you to the official webpage of Tesla. As you get onto this section, you will get an option of menu on the top right corner. Tap on menu here and then scroll down, and on the bottom just a row more, you have an option of account. Tap on account. So you can create an account for this. You have an option on the bottom just below or create account. Tap on create account. Now you need to put your first name here and then your last name. And then you need to enter the characters in the emails. Make sure to make it correct. When you've done it, scroll down and then tap on next option below. Now you need to enter your email, create a password, and then confirm that password once again. So tap on email and then enter email just like this. Tap on password and then make sure to make a very strong password. Once again, tap on confirm password and enter the created password to confirm it. When you've done it, scroll down and then tap on create account option here. Alright, you can see that you have successfully created an account for Tesla, and you can confirm this by tapping on this menu option in the top right corner once again and scroll down to see on this account section. So that's a dashboard for you, and you have successfully created an account for yourself. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.